Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your indicator light lens. The reason why you would have to do this is because it's broken. For this repair, you'll need a 1/4-inch nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove that we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Frigidaire, and keep in mind that ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn your gas off. So this right here is our indicator light lens. To get to it, we're going to have to unscrew the back panel. To remove this panel here, we've got 4 screws holding it in. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to start with the bottom ones here. And while I undo this top one, I'm just going to hold the panel in place so it doesn't fall down on us when we take the screw out. There we go. And that'll come right off. You can set the panel off to the side there. Right here is the range indicator light, and behind that is our indicator light lens. So to get to it, we're just going to have to remove that. There are a couple tabs that you can see on this side right there. So we're going to slide this back the opposite way. So now, to get the wires off, all we have to do is simply just pull them straight off, like so. So you can see here, our indicator light lens came off with the indicator light. So we can just pull that out, and we'll grab our new one. So now, you can grab your new OEM replacement indicator light lens. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So now, we're going to insert the lens into this hole right here. And we should be able to just pop it right in, and it'll stay right there. And on the other side here, we've got our light indicator, and we're gonna slide that notch onto the other side of the lens, and it should just pop right on like so. And now we'll plug it back in. And now we can put the panel back on. Now we're going to want to line up our panel just like it was before we took it apart. Make sure the hole lines up and screw it in. Okay. And now we can turn everything back around, hook it up, and your repair is complete. And now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.